right, section 9.5 is on impedance, and we really looked at that already in 9.4 with that example problem we did at the end of that video. So it's defined as the ratio of V to I. So it's like an R, right? That's what we're used to working with, V equals IR, where R is in ohms. So a resistor, ZR, in rectangular form, you have R plus J0, or R at an angle of 0 degrees. So resistor R, impedance R, still R. R is R. That's pretty easy, right? Inductor, our impedance for the inductor, ZL, is 0 plus J omega L, or omega L at 90 degrees. And then our capacitor, ZC, so the impedance of our capacitor, is 0 minus J over omega C, or 1 over omega C at an angle of minus 90 degrees. And again, all of these units are ohms. Then the last section of this chapter is 9.6 and 9.7, and it just talks about how KVL and KCL work with impedance. Everything still applies, because everything we have done in EE210 has been based on Ohm's law, V equals IR. So that's still true, right? V equals IR, where our R is impedance instead of just resistance. So everything else that we have done still applies. So I'm going to work a couple example problems in the next videos, and then we'll move on to chapter 10.